Good morning, children. I am new for you, new maths teacher for you. You all saw me? I think you didn't saw. I think you will be there that side, no, first class. And you didn't saw. I think. My name is Janaki. Today onwards, I'll teach maths for you. Already in the previous class, you learned number name, how to write number name, and how to put beads on the abacus frame of 3 digits. You all learned 3 digits, no? Now today what we will learn is, we will learn place value of 3 digits and the face value. Face value means what? Place value means what? And what is the difference between these two? That we will learn today. Okay? Once we will do the revision part. Last time what you learned? You all learned how to put 3-digit number on abacus frame. We'll do some. Here, revision part will do. I will give you one number. 436. 436. How you will read this number? 436. 436. How you know this is 100, this is tens, this is ones means while writing the place value. You must write the place value. Then it will be easy to read 3-digit number. Ones, tens and hundreds. Now how you will read? 436. Another number also I will give you. 1, 2, 3. Here what you write? First place what? Ones. Next tens. Next hundreds. Now how you will read? 100. And these two at a time. That is 23. 123. Okay? You all know 100 spelling? New word, new spelling you learn, no? New place. 100 spelling you tell me? H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. This is the new word for you. 100's place. 3-digit number you learn. And how to put this number on the abacus frame. Here 3 dots are there. First place, ones, tens and hundreds. This number I write here. What is this number? 436. This is ones, this is tens and this is hundreds. In the hundreds place, this is the hundreds place. And this is the tens place. And this is the ones place. In the hundreds place, how many beads you will draw here? How many circles you will draw here? 4. How do you know it is 4? Because in the hundreds place, 4 is there. So, in the hundreds place, how many circles you will draw? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You can color these circles also. Any color. Take color pencil and you can color it also nicely. It will be colorful. Okay. Now go to the next place. That is the tens place. Tens place, which digit is there here? 3. So in the tens place, how many circles you will draw? 3. So 1, 2 and 3. Again, color pencil. With color pencil nicely you can color it. Now next will be the ones place. In the ones place, which digit is there? 6. So how many circles you draw here in the ones place? 6. 1. While drawing you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again you can color it nicely. You can color it with your color pencil. So it will be colorful abacus frame. This is 436. Same like that. This also you can put on the abacus frame. 3 dots are there. Ones, tens, hundreds. 123. In the 1, 2, and 3. So what is it? 123. Already you all learned how to put the number on the abacus frame. Now today we will learn place value, and face value. Place value and face value. What is the place value and what is the place value? First we will learn the place value of 3-digit number. One number I will write here. 2, 4, 5. This first what you must do means this you must write in the place value chart. Already you learned. How you will do? You will draw the box. One box like this. Okay. Now how many digits are there? Count it. 1, 2 and 3. So how many columns you must draw? 3 columns. 1, 2 and 3. Okay. 3 digits are there. 3 columns like this. After that, in the top line, you must put the places. Ones. O-N-E-S. Ones. O-N-E-S. Ones. You can put O also. Next is the tens. T-E-N-S. Tens. For tens you can put T. For ones you can put O. And the next place what? The new place for you is 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Hundreds. Yes. Little bit big I will draw. Hundreds. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. This is the 100. When you are writing on the places, hundreds. Yes, also you must have. For hundreds, what you will write? H. For ones, shortcut way O. For tens, T. For hundreds, H. Now we will put this number here. While writing, you start from ones. 5, 4 and 2. How we will read this? 245. 245. Now each place value, each digit place value we will find out. How you will do? Now we will start from hundreds place. When you are writing the place value, we will start from hundreds. So 100 means how many zeros you will get? 100. H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. How you will write 100? 1, 0, 0. Remember it. 100 means 1, 0, 0. 10. 10. Tens means that is 1 and 0. Ones. Ones means only 1. Ones means only 1. Remember that. Now 2 is in which place beta? 2 is in which place? Hundreds place. So we will write 2 is in hundreds. Hundreds spelling H-U-N-D-R-E-D-S. Hundreds place. 2 is in hundreds place. That is equal to 200. For 100 2 zeros no. So 2 is in hundreds place. So that is 200. This is the place value. This is the place value. The place value of 2 is 200. Now we will go to the tens place. 4 is in which place? Tens place. Tens spelling T-E-N-S. Tens place. 10 means what I told? 1, 0. 10. 1 and 0. Which digit is there in the tens place? 4. So 4 is in the tens place. What will be the place value? 40. Place value of 4 is 40. Now next place we will go. What is the next place? Ones. So which digit is there in the ones place? 5. So we write here. 5 is in which place? 1. 5 is in 1's place. 1's means only 1. So 5 value. What is the place value of this digit? Only 5. Only 5. 2 in the hundreds place. So the place value is 200. 4 in the tens place. The place value is 40. 5 in the ones place. The place value is 5. Now you understood the place value of each digit. All of you. Some examples will do here. Here no need to write. No need to write each digit. We'll see you all understood or not. We'll see. 365. 365. If I underline only 3. Only 3 is underlined. R3 is circled. What is the place value of 3? Which place it is? Which place it is? Tell me. Which place? So what you must do? Say the place value. If you want, you can write here. Ones, tens, hundreds. So 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. So what is the place value of 3? 300. That's all. That is the place value. Suppose another number. 453. What is the place value of 5? Now 5 is in which place? Come on, I will not write the place value. Say the place value in your mind. Ones, tens and hundreds. What is the place of this? What is the place? 5 in the tens place. So what is the place value? Tens place. Tens. So the place value is 50. Okay? Another one will do. 7, 8, 1. If this is circled, so you must find out the place value of this digit. We'll read this number. 781. You must find out the place value of this digit. Okay. So what is the place value of this? This is in which place? Ones. So ones means 1. Here already 1 is there. So what is the place value of this one? Is 1. Understood, children? You all understood the place value of the digits? Each digit, or if they gave you the circled number, only the particular number, particular circled place only, you write the place value. I think you all understood the place value. Now I will tell you the face value. What is face value? Anyone knows? What is the face value? See here. You do one thing. Take mirror. Keep the mirror front of you and see. Stand here. Take mirror. Keep front of you and see. What you can see in that mirror? Your face only. Okay. Now what you will do? You go other side. Stand there. Again take mirror and see the face. What you are seeing? Same face. If you are standing here also, you are seeing same face. If you are standing here also, you are seeing same face. Suppose you are going somewhere you go, one corner or anywhere. Again keep mirror front of you and see. What you are seeing? Same face. Same, that only is the face value. If the digit is any place, if the digit is in any place, let it be in the hundreds place, tens place or ones place, the face value is same, that digit only. We'll do one example, then easily you will understand. Okay children, today what you do, take one mirror. In your house mirrors will be there, no? Take mirror, stand one place and see your face. What you are seeing, you see. Again change your position and see your face. Again sit and see your face. What you are seeing? The same face or other's face you are seeing, then you see. Okay? That only is the face value. I will give you some example. Easily you will understand. understand it. I think you all understood the place value. Now we will go to the face value. We will go to the face value. Here 736. 736. Face value of 6. Face value. Don't be confused. Face value. Face value of 6 is 6. If you stand here and see in the mirror, same. And if the face value of 3, if you stand here and see the face also same. So here the face value of 3 is 3 only itself. Same number you will get. Here this 7 face value of 7 is 7 only. Same. Is it you will get? That is the face value. Face value will not change. Which will change? Place value will change. Face value will not change. I think you all understood the difference between place value and face value. Okay children, now I will give you the homework. You copy down in one book. Okay beta, any doubt is there in June class, you can ask me. I will clear your doubt. Open your book, be ready for homework. Okay children, you all understood place value and face value. The same thing only I gave you the homework for you. Here I will explain the homework how to do. Here you take the book and copy down first everything. Then how to answer also I tell you. See here. Write the place value of each digit that has a circle around it. Only the circled one only you write. Okay, here 4 is circled. 4 is in which place? 400. This is in the hundreds place. 1s, 10s, 100. You can say orally or otherwise. If it is difficult for you, just write the place value. 1s, 10s and 100s. 4 in hundreds place. So the place value is 400. Like that you see each one and answer it. Okay. Now coming to the second bit. Write the face value of each digit. Here I gave you 456. What is the face value of 4? What is the face value of 4? You write here. 5 also same. 6 also same. Like that, second another number also again. Do this also. And in the Zoom class, I will check your homework. Okay children? Thank you.